Meow. Lesson 21. Big Review Day. You just completed Part 2, Lessons 8 through 20. That is 13 lessons of solid English learning. Let us see what you remember, what you have mastered. What needs more practice? This is not scary test. This is a checkup. We are making sure the knowledge sticks. We are filling in any gaps. We are building confidence. Today, we review pronouns, verbs, the verb to be, question words, demonstratives, adjectives, colors, food, places, days, months, and numbers up to 100. That is a lot, but you have learned it all. Now we practice it all together. Ready? Let us review our progress. Quick question. Remember Lesson 8? You set goals for Part 2. Did you watch the lessons? Did you practice out loud? Did you do the homework? Did you comment on videos? Be honest with yourself. Just in your head. No one else needs to know. If you said yes to most of these, excellent. You are on track. If you said no to most of these, that is okay. But from now on, commit to practice. Even 5 minutes daily. It makes a huge difference. New goal for Part 3. I will practice speaking English out loud for 10 minutes every day. Can you commit to that? I think you can. Now let us see what you have learned. Lesson 8. Pronouns. The 6 essential words. Quick test. Fill in the correct pronoun, talking about yourself. Answer is I, talking to someone. Answer is you, talking about a man. Answer is he, talking about a woman. Answer is she, talking about yourself plus others. Answer is we, talking about other people. Answer is they. Now use them in sentences. Complete these. Am learning English. Answer is I am learning English. Are a good student. You talking to someone. Answer is you are a good student. Is my teacher. Someone else. Male. Answer is he is my teacher. Good. You remember pronouns. If you struggled, go back to Lesson 8. Lesson 9. The verb to be. Am, is, are. Quick test. Complete the combinations. I. Answer is I am. You. Answer is you are. He. Answer is he is. She. Answer is she is. We. Answer is we are. They. Answer is they are. Now complete sentences. I. Happy. Answer is I am happy. They. Students. Answer is they are students. She. Beautiful. Answer is she is beautiful. Perfect. You know to be. If you need more practice, review Lesson 9. Lesson 10. Question words. What, where, who, when, why, how. Quick test. I describe what you want to know. You tell me the question word. You want to know about a thing. Answer is what? You want to know about a place? Answer is where? You want to know about a person. Answer is who? You want to know about time. Answer is when? You want to know the reason. Answer is why? You want to know the method. Answer is how? Now make questions. Is your name? Answer is, what is your name? Are you from? Answer is, where are you from? Is your teacher? Answer is, who is your teacher? Excellent. You can ask questions. Need more practice? Lesson 10 is there. Lesson 11. Demonstratives. This, that, these, those. Quick test. I describe something. You give me the word. One thing near you. Answer is this. One thing far from you. Answer is that. Many things near you. Answer is these. Many things far from you. Answer is those. Now use them with to be. This, my book. Answer is this my book. Those, your pens. Answer is those are your pens. That, a cat. Answer is that is a cat. Good. You understand near and far. If confused, revisit Lesson 11. Lessons 12 and 13. Adjectives. You learned 12 describing words. Let us see if you remember them all. Size, big and small. Quality, good and bad. Temperature, hot and cold. Condition, new and old. Age for living things, young and old. Appearance, beautiful and ugly. Speed, fast and slow. Quick practice. Describe these things. A kitten. Say 2 adjectives. Example is small and young. Your phone. Say 2 adjectives. Example is new and small or old and black. The weather today. Say 2 adjectives. Your choice based on actual weather. Excellent descriptions. Want more adjective practice? Lessons 12 and 13. Lesson 15. Colors. 7 essential colors. Quick test. Say all 7 colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, brown. Did you remember them all? Now combine colors with adjectives. Describe a car. Use adjective plus color. Example is big red car or small blue car. Describe your clothes. Use color. Example is blue jeans, white shirt. Describe a cat. Use adjectives and color. Example is beautiful black cat or small brown cat. Perfect combinations. Neat color review. Lesson 15. Lesson 16. You learned common foods. I will give you a food and you tell me if it is a vegetable, fruit, protein, or a grain. Carrot. Vegetable. Bread. Grain. Apple. Fruit. Beef. Protein. Fish. Protein. Did you get them all? If not, go back to Lesson 16. Lesson 17 took us to places. Places you stay, places you shop, and places we all use every day. Let's review some. Transportation, airport, train station, bus station, important places, bank, post office, hospital, police station, most important, bathroom, restroom, toilet. Lesson 18, days of the week. Let's review together. Work week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Rest days. I work on Monday. I rest on Saturday. Lesson 19. Numbers, 21 to 100. The tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The pattern, 21, 22, 23. Can you continue? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Lesson 20. We covered the months of the year. Let us go through the months together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now the big test, using everything together. I am a young, beautiful cat. I live in a big, old, white house. Every day, I wake up at 7. Count the skills in that story. Pronouns, to be, adjectives, colors, verbs, all together. Your turn. Tell me about yourself. Use everything you have learned. Talk about who you are, where you live, what you do every day, what you like. Use pronouns. Use to be. Use adjectives and colors. Use months. Say it out loud. Make at least 5 sentences. Listen to yourself. You are speaking English, real English, complete sentences. That is amazing. Let us celebrate your progress. 3 weeks ago, at lesson 1, you knew 0 English. Now, at lesson 21, you can do this. You can use 6 pronouns correctly. You can use the verb to be in all forms. You can ask 6 types of questions. You can point to things near and far. You can describe things with 12 adjectives. You can describe colors with 7 words. You can name common foods. You can say common places. You can count to 100. You know the days of the week. You can name the months of the year. That is not beginner level anymore. That is real functional English. You can introduce yourself. You can describe your life. You can ask questions. You can have simple conversations. 3 weeks. 21 lessons. Real progress. Be proud of yourself. I am proud of you. So what is next? Part 3 starts tomorrow. Lessons 22 through 35. Building sentences. We will learn how to make longer sentences, how to connect ideas, how to have real conversations. We will learn more verbs, more grammar, more vocabulary, more expressions. But here is what I need from you. Commitment. Part 3 is harder, not scary hard, just more complex, more detailed, more practice needed. So, I need you to commit. 10 minutes of speaking practice every day. Real speaking, out loud, not just watching videos. Can you do that? I believe you can. Also, and this is important, if you are feeling overwhelmed, that is normal. Learning a language is hard. Your brain is working, growing. That feels uncomfortable sometimes. When you feel overwhelmed, do this. Go back. Review earlier lessons. Practice what you know. Build confidence. Then continue forward. There is no rush. The lessons will always be here. Go at your pace. Your sustainable pace. Final homework for Part 2. Task 1. Review your goals from Lesson 8. Did you achieve them? Write down what you accomplished. Task 2. Set 3 specific goals for Part 3. Use the SMART framework. Make them achievable. Task 3. In the comments, tell us this. What was your favorite lesson from Part 2? What did you learn that surprised you? What do you want to learn in Part 3? Share your experience. Build community. Learn from each other. Part 2 complete. Well done. You showed up. You practiced. You learned. You grew. That takes courage. That takes dedication. That takes work. And you did it. Rest today if you need to. Tomorrow we start Part 3. Building sentences. Real conversations. Deeper English. But today, celebrate. You earned it. Long lesson, but very important. See you in Lesson 22. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. You are doing amazing. Mao.